Welcome to American Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our activities focus on different subjects such as science, history, health, and even arts. Today, we're going to have our activity coordinators, Jala, Luisa, and myself, Luis, that will be helping you guys in today's video. So today, we're going to learn about outer space. So, as you can see, we're going to have 4 different terms that you guys will learn in this video. So, the first term, stars. Well, what are stars? Well, a star is a huge ball of gas held together by gravity. So you can see in at night that there's a gazillion amount of stars that are in outer space. Next term, planets. So, planet is a large object that orbits a sun. So, we have a sun here and there are 8 planets that are orbiting around the sun, which would be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus. So those are the 8 planets that you see in our solar system. So next term, asteroids. Well, asteroids are just small rocky objects that orbit around the sun. Right here in our solar system, we have an asteroid belt that is in between Mars and Jupiter. So there's an asteroid belt there, but sometimes asteroids can crash into other planets. So now the last term, the moon. So the moon is just a large round object that circles the Earth and that shines at night by reflecting light from the sun. So as you see, the moon is right here, and we only have one moon. There are other planets that have like 20 or 40 moons, but Earth only has one moon. So a fun fact that you guys know is, how can you tell us that a difference between a star and a planet? Well, when you look at the night sky, if that light twinkles, then it's a star. If it doesn't, then it's a planet. So you could actually see Venus or Mars or even Mercury and other planets while in the night sky. So now Jala will show you guys an activity that you guys will do at home. So we'll go to her.
Hello and welcome to this America Reads video on how to create a paper plate galaxy wreath. So before we get started, make sure that you're in an area where it can get dirty and it's easy to clean it. Now let's get into the materials we're going to be using. So you need a paper plate, scissors, something to put the paint in, a cup and paintbrushes, your pieces that are going to go on the plate, along with some paint. In the cup, you're going to put water so that you can dip the paintbrushes in. Next, what you're going to do is cut the middle of the plate out. I found it was easier to do this by folding the plate in half and then cutting out the center, but do whatever works easier for you and make sure you get help if you can't do it yourself. And you want to make sure that all of the middle, as much as you can, is cut out. And once that's done, you're going to get into actually painting the galaxy. So we're going to start off with some black paint, and that's just going to give you your base of the galaxy, as in it's pitch black, as if it was actually outer space. And once you start finishing up your plate, you are going to get into painting your actual pieces that are going to go on your galaxy. I'm starting off with my stars and I'm painting them yellow. I cut out a couple big stars and 2 small planets. Again, this is going to get really messy, so you want to make sure that you're somewhere where it's easy to clean, or you can get it dirty and it's fine. And I just decided to paint my 2 planets red. I'm gonna do different color things. Make sure your plate is kind of drying. And I found instead of using glue, I just used that same color paint behind my pieces and stuck them to the paper plate, since my pieces were just leftover scraps of notebook paper. It was easy for it to stick together like glue. And now I'm just gonna add in some extras on my planets, some rings, and just different colors. And you want to make sure to contrast the colors so that you can see them. I didn't do too well with the green, but I just decided to draw some extra planets and stars and stuff just to spice it up. Just do whatever, be creative, have fun. Almost done. And the finished product.
The Earth we live in is a small object in the solar system and an even smaller object in outer space. Even now, there's still so many planets and stars that we still haven't discovered. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please comment if you have any questions, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will come back with more videos.